back at Santa Pod for this video. After my gearbox swap, I went there to meet my friends Peter and Kayleigh and race both of them, so this is how it went.
Good morning. It's very early. I'm going to be very quiet. 5:10 in the morning, and it's time to go to Santa Pod today. So, got a few things to grab together and then we'll hit the road.
Pretty grim looking this morning at Santa Pod, but we made it. I'm meeting some friends, so I've got to find somewhere decent to park up and then let them know where I am. There's a bit of space, hopefully. I can't imagine it being too busy looking at the state of the weather. Goodness. There's no shows on this weekend either, so that should make it look quieter too. So I've got a decent spot right by the fence next to the track. They're doing a bit of work, cleaning and drying and whatnot at the minute, you can see. It is raining a little bit still. Not a lot can be done about that, so left a little bit of space here because Peter and friends are coming. I'm not sure who he's coming with actually, just Peter and Kayleigh or others, but yep, I'm going to need to go and sign on now. So I've got my first run done. It was horrendous. I have managed to remember to turn the GoPro on. I did a 17.3 with a lot of wheel spinning first and second, lots of rev limiters here. So got back in the lanes for the next run. It's 25 to 4 now, and we've only just run because there's been a lot of bad weather. So hopefully we can get some more runs in before the bad weather starts again. For my first run I had my 165 treaded tyres on. I've put my slicks on now. See how they go this time. Hopefully we'll spin less off the line.
We kind of timed out, didn't we? 21 seconds to the 8th, yeah. For another run, take another mini. Heading to the street weekend. Back in June. Alright, coming up to 4:30, just to let you know, we will be stopping at 5 o'clock.
I've got 3 runs in now, it's getting dark. The best one I haven't got the time for. Last one was a 16.7, which was bit of a shame. I'd like to get deeper in the 15s, so I'm hoping I can do better on my next one. The time now is 20 past 6, so we've still got an hour and a half left, so hopefully I can get a few more runs in before the end of the day. And I want to get deeper into the 15s. I really messed up the launch on the last one, so I need to do a better launch and better second gear. I did run again. I forgot to start the GoPro that time. It wasn't very good. 16.8 I think. I really am struggling with the launch. I mean, 60 foot times are down, but I think I'm going faster up the track. I did 85 mile an hour, which was my fastest time across the line so far. So I think I might get one more run in, see how it goes. The day turned out to be a little bit challenging after all. The track didn't open until 3:30. I only got 5 runs in, but it's nice to spend time at the track, to run the car, spend time with friends. I'll put a link in the description. I want you to go and check out Xena Clothing Co. Peter and Kayleigh's clothing brand, raising awareness about breast cancer. So go and check it out. There's a link in the description, and buy a hoodie or a hat or something. Thanks for watching this one, and I'll see you again next time.